Have you thought about preparing your home for fall and winter months? Well, I have a few tips for you that you may want to consider. Hey, it is Patty Hampton of the Patty Sells NC team, and today I'm going to give you a few tips that you can put into place to protect your home investment. So let's start with some general safety tips, especially as we prepare for the fall. If you have a fireplace in your home, I highly recommend that you make sure that it is in safe working order. And the way that you do that is you want to hire a reputable company to come out and kind of check for any deficiencies and get those corrected. The second thing, okay, I have to admit, I'm guilty of not doing this as often as you should, but people, it's really important. You want to make sure that you test and change the batteries in your smoke alarms and your carbon monoxide detectors, because I have learned a very valuable lesson that you only get one warning from the fire department before they fine you for coming out for false alarms. And trust me, buying some batteries is cheaper than paying for that fee. So let's move on to some preventive maintenance tips. So I know you live in your home, but take a stroll around your property, looking up and looking down, and what you want to look for is peeling paint and then caulking that's starting to break, and go ahead and get those sealed. Take a step out your front door, take a look at what's going on outside. Look at that porch, that patio, and the driveway. And if you see some cracking, go ahead and get those sealed as well. And I mean, you're already outside, so you might as well look up at the gutter system, and if they're looking full, hire a professional to get out there and get those clean, especially as we are entering into the winter months, because we do not want to have to deal with an ice dam. So let's move on to your heating and cooling system. People, I highly recommend that you hire a HVAC contractor to come out and test both of these settings. I know it depends on the temperature that it is when they arrive, but they're the professionals. Let them evaluate and give you some feedback as to what's going on, because right now, especially in North Carolina, we have experienced all 4 seasons in one day, so you want to know that that's in good working order. Last but certainly not least, and I think this is the greatest advice that I can give to you, go ahead and beat the crowd and purchase yourself a shovel, just in case we get snow, because we all know in North Carolina, if we get anything close to 1 inch, it is a state of emergency and we are shutting down, and you do not want to be stuck in your home. Here's the thing. You could have been doing anything, but you chose to spend a little time with me. So for that, I say thank you. And if you are thinking of buying or selling a home, please call or email me today for a consultation. I hope you have a great day, and I am looking forward to talking to you very soon.